Hey everyone, welcome. Today we are talking about something truly revolutionary. We're going to break down an AI workflow that lets pretty much anyone create a full-blown animated comic. I'm talking from scratch, from just a tiny idea all the way to a finished, moving story. So, yeah, let's dive right in. Okay, let me just ask you this straight up. What if you, yes, you, could create a full animated comic? We're talking characters, dialogue, even voice acting, the whole 9 yards. And what if you could do all that without knowing how to draw? Like at all. And listen, that's not some far-off hypothetical. It's happening right now. You don't need art school. You don't need an animation degree. Forget about needing some big, expensive studio. Honestly, the only tool you really need is AI. It's like all those old barriers to entry, they're just crumbling away. So the workflow we're about to get into, it's so powerful, so mind-blowingly efficient that it almost feels like it shouldn't be legal. Seriously, it's that good. And this isn't theory. This is the exact method that cutting-edge creators are using right now to pump out amazing content in just a tiny fraction of the time it used to take. You know, traditionally, making a comic has been this massive, massive undertaking. You needed a whole team of specialists, a writer, an artist, a colorist. It was super complex, super expensive, and for a solo creator, forget about it. But all of that is changing, like right now. All right, so here's the game plan for today. First, we're going to tackle AI script writing. Then, we'll jump into how to get instant illustrations. After that, we'll bring it all to life with animation and voice. And to wrap it up, we'll talk about what this whole new reality actually means for all of us creators. Okay, first up, phase 1, the script. And I want you to think about this as more than just writing. You're not just a writer here, you're the director. And for this, we're going to use Google's Gemini as our own personal screenwriter, setting the entire stage for what's to come. Now, this is super important. This is where you see the huge difference between a beginner and a pro. You can't just type in, write a comic. I mean, you can, but the results will be meh. That's a total beginner move. If you want production-level quality, you have to give the AI a really detailed, structured prompt. It's got to be like a proper creative brief you'd give to a human artist. And here's a perfect example of what that looks like in practice. You have to get specific. See, you're asking for panel numbers, detailed visual descriptions, the exact dialogue, captions, and this part is absolutely critical, a separate character reference section. You're not just vaguely asking for a story anymore. You are directing every single shot. Which brings us to this key concept, the character reference paragraph. Seriously, this is your secret weapon for consistency. I like to call it the consistency anchor, because without it, the AI has a tendency to get creative. Your hero might have blue hair in panel 1 and suddenly have pink hair in panel 2. This little paragraph locks in your character's look so they stay the same from start to finish. All right, so we've got our script locked and loaded. Now it's time for phase 2, getting our instant art. We're going to take all that beautiful text and turn it into actual illustrations. And for that, we're using a tool called NotebookLM. Think of it as your own personal on-demand artist. And believe me, the process here is ridiculously easy. You just upload your script from Gemini, you find the slide deck generator, you tweak a simple little prompt to tell it what art style you want, and then you just hit generate. That's it. NotebookLM literally reads your script and just creates the comic panels for you. It feels like actual magic. And here's the best part. You are not locked into a single look. Not at all. With the exact same script, you can instantly change the entire vibe of your comic. You want to go for a cinematic anime look? Done. Gritty noir? Easy. How about something that looks like it's from Pixar or Studio Ghibli? Or maybe some black and white manga or cyberpunk? It's literally as simple as changing one line in your prompt. The creative freedom here is just insane. Okay, let me give you a pro tip here. This is a game changer. If an image comes out and it's not quite right, do not just hit the regenerate button. That's starting over. Instead, you need to iterate. Make small, specific tweaks. Tell the AI, hey, change the hoodie color to neon green. Or can you make the lighting more dramatic? Professionals refine their work. They don't just redo it over and over. Okay, so let's recap. We've got our script, we've got our comic panels, they look amazing. But now for the final incredible leap. Phase 3, animation. This is where we take these gorgeous static images and actually bring them to life with movement and sound. So this final production pipeline is really just 3 simple stages. First, we animate the panels. And we're not talking full Disney here, just adding subtle motion like camera pans and zooms to give it that feeling of action. Second, we generate unique AI voices for all our characters. And finally, we pull everything together in an editor, adding music, sound effects, and making it feel like a real production.
And if you're wondering what tools to use, here's your creator's toolkit for this stage. For animation, you've got AI video generators like Runway or Pictory that can automatically add motion to your images. For voice acting that sounds unbelievably real, ElevenLabs is pretty much the go-to right now. And then to edit it all, you can use something super accessible like CapCut on your phone, or if you're pro, you can use Adobe Premiere.
Okay, let's just take a step back and zoom out for a second. Because what we've just gone through, this isn't just some cool tech demo. What we're witnessing is a fundamental, seismic shift in creative power. This is nothing short of a revolution for the individual creator. I mean, just look at this comparison. It says it all. On the left, that's the old way. You needed a whole team, a writer, an illustrator, an animator, a voice actor, an editor, a whole crew. Now look at the right. That's the AI way. You have a tool for each of those roles. An entire production pipeline that used to require a whole studio full of people can now be managed by one person. Just one person. And that is the result. All of those roles are being consolidated. It's a level of efficiency that it was pure science fiction a few years ago. This is exactly why AI-powered content creation is exploding right now. The barrier to entry isn't just lower, it's practically gone. The creative potential is, well, it's limitless.
So that leaves us with a really fascinating and kind of huge question to chew on. How is storytelling itself going to change when an entire creative team can literally fit inside your pocket? Just think about the new voices, the new visions, the new stories that are going to emerge because of this. We are truly just at the very, very beginning.